Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. What is DeviantArt? DeviantArt.com is one of the oldest and largest online art communities in the world. It's a platform where artists share their work, build an audience, and monetize their creativity. Unlike stock websites, DeviantArt is community-driven. People follow artists, comment and interact, buy directly from creators. Think of it as Instagram plus an art marketplace combined, but focused only on art. How you can make money on DeviantArt. This is where most people get confused, so let me simplify it. DeviantArt allows artists to earn money in multiple ways, not just one. One, selling digital downloads. You can sell digital illustrations, wallpapers, desktop and mobile, brushes, photo, shop, Procreate, stock images, textures and patterns, line art and coloring pages, printable art. You upload the file, set the price, and DeviantArt handles the delivery. 2, commissions, big money potential. This is one of the strongest income sources on DeviantArt. You can offer character commissions, portraits, fan art, book covers, album covers, NFT, style art without NFTs. People message you directly, you set the price, you get paid. Free, prints and physical products. DeviantArt can print your art on posters, canvas, phone cases, stickers, apparel. You don't handle printing or shipping. You earn a cut for every sale. 4, DeviantArt subscriptions. This is like Patreon inside DeviantArt. Fans can subscribe monthly, get exclusive art, see behind-the-scenes work, access PSDs or time-lapse videos. Perfect for artists building a loyal audience. What kind of art sells best on DeviantArt? Let's talk reality. Not everything sells equally. High demand categories: character art and OC designs, anime and manga style art, fantasy and sci-fi illustrations, fan art, games, movies, anime, portraits and stylized faces, brushes and resources for other artists, wallpapers and phone backgrounds. If people emotionally connect to your art, it sells. How a beginner can start making money on DeviantArt. Here's the YouTube style step by step. Step 1. Create and optimize your profile. Clear profile picture. Strong bio. Mention commissions are open. Link payment methods. Your profile is your storefront. Step 2. Post consistently, very important. Even 3-4 artworks per week works. Consistency builds trust and visibility. Old art can still get discovered. Step 3. Engage with the community. Comment on other artists' work. Join groups. Participate in challenges. DeviantArt rewards interaction, not just uploads. Step 4. Enable monetization features. Turn on downloads. Open commissions. Enable prints. Create subscription tiers. Most beginners forget this step. Skills needed to work on DeviantArt. You don't need to be a perfect artist. Basic skills enough to start. Drawing or digital illustration. Any art style: anime, realism, abstract, minimal. Basic editing skills. Willingness to improve. Helpful tools: Procreate, Photo, Shop, Clip Studio Paint. Krita free. Even traditional art scanned properly. Skill matters, but style and consistency matter more. How much can you earn on DeviantArt? Let's be honest, like a real YouTuber. Beginners, small sales at first. Growing artists, steady commissions. Popular artists, full-time income. Many artists earn more from commissions than stock websites because pricing is flexible. Why DeviantArt is powerful for artists? Here's what makes it special. Built-in audience. Direct connection with buyers. No need for social media ads. You control pricing. Multiple income streams in one place. It's not just a website, it's a career platform for artists. If you love art, want creative freedom, enjoyed interacting with fans, want direct income from your work, then DeviantArt is one of the best platforms to grow as an artist and make money online. Don't wait to be perfect, start posting and improve publicly. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.